In this video, we are going to be analysing NIO. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key support levels if we continue to pull back? And we can see we are currently holding around a support at around $17.80. Now this level is going to be key because, as we can see, we have broken past here. I need to go back to the right chart. For some reason it didn't update automatically. But you see we have broken through this level, but we haven't come back for that retest. So this is going to be key if we are going to continue lower. We want to see a push down to, or up to around the $17.80. And if we fail that, then we can expect a further push to that next deviation level. And that would take us to around $14.50. If we break that, then we're looking very close at $13.50. So now this would take us near to its 52-week low. So if we were to go even lower, expect some support or some buying pressure to come in at that 52-week low, as that's where some people look to buy. But we will probably continue down further if we break the if we come down to the 52-week low. And then we'll be looking at the 10.95 as a support. And if we can break that, we would have final levels at $7.50, $5.50, and $4. Obviously very far off some of these levels, but the key ones to always focus on, or how to look at them, is if we break a level, we come back to retest it, and it holds, then you can just expect to move to that next level. So in this case, $14.50. If we break below the $14.50, come back to retest it and it holds, then expect to push to $13.50. And again, the same thing, if we break $13.50, you come back for that retest and it fails, then we expect to push down to $11.70. So that's really how you use these levels. You don't use them as, okay, we're going to hit $5.70. You use them as, if you break one, you want to see confirmation on that same level, and then you will most likely continue to the next one. Now, on the other hand, if you're more bullish on this stock, what are going to be key resistances? So around $21.50 is going to be our first duration on both the 6-month and the 1-year chart, so heavy resistance, and that's why we can see this has been trouble for NIO every time we've come into this level. But if we are able to break that, we would require quite strong buying pressure, but if we can, then we would be looking at around $25. To be more precise, $24.84, and that would be that key resistance. Now, if we can break that, and again, when we say break it, we don't mean just fly through this level. We mean we break above it, come back to retest it, and this level holds, because then it shows investors and traders have had time to think about it. Okay, we are happy to hold the stock at this price, and it can go higher. This usually stops you getting caught in these ultimate short pulls, and which can, hit your stops, but then the spreads can be wide. And so if we can push or hold that $25, and we're looking at $28.50, breaking further $29, and the final levels at $32, $38, and $46. And again, some of these are very far off. So the key focus as of now is, can we hold the $17.80? If not, expect to push to $14.50. On the other hand, if we can hold it, expect to push to $21.40. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these analysis videos.